how to change and restore default font settings on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to switch fonts and reset them back if needed. First, click the Start button. Type Registry Editor and open it. After that, navigate to HKey_local machine, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows NT, then Current Version, then Fonts. From there, look for the entry named Segoe UI. At this point, right-click it and click Modify. Type the name of the font file you want to use instead, then click OK. In the next step, close Registry Editor. Following this, restart your PC for the new font to apply system-wide. Once done, if you want to restore the default font, open Registry Editor again. From here, navigate back to the same fonts folder. At this stage, right-click Segoe UI and click Modify. Change the value back to segoeui.ttf, then click OK. Keep in mind, editing the registry can affect system stability if done incorrectly, so only change the font value and nothing else in that folder. Finally, restart your PC again to restore the default font completely. And that's it. If this guide helped you change and restore your font settings on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.